So the last thing I wanted to talk to you folks today here about is about the about page, right? So when somebody goes to your channel, especially if they're on mobile, they're not going to see your about page. But if they're on desktop, all they got to do is scroll down and your about page is right there. My about page is far from perfect. All right? But a lot of the times when you're looking for panels, you don't have like the editing software to make your own, you go on to Fiverr, or you go with Nerd or Die and you pay for these panels. And there's nothing wrong with that whatsoever. But if you don't have any discretionary income to pay for these panels, can I please introduce you to Canva? Canva is amazing. All right? Albeit it is probably one of my most visited websites that I go to because I am a terrible graphics and visual artist. So I use Canva, or I'll use Microsoft Designer, and I'll use AI to come up with a better design that I could ever do. I can vouch for Canva. There you go. So if you're looking to make Twitch panels, all you have to do in the what will you design today, and type in the word Twitch panels. I've already typed it in. And then boom, you got all these options here. Now, mind you, there's our dollar signs. There's a little pro icon right there. Yeah, Canva's a business. Not everything's going to be free. They have a ton here that you don't have to pay squat for. So for example, let's just use, let's use this one here. These are the exact sizes that you need for Twitch panels. This has the about, donate, subscribe, schedule, rules, social. So if you want to add all those, use all of them, you can. If you wanted to add anything else in there, for example, go to my uploads here. Oh, would you look at that? There's the One Guild logo. So bring that over here. Why not? But if I can do this, you can do it. Super simple. And then you go to share, download. You download it all. It downloads as a PNG. It actually downloads as a folder, so they're saved to your computer. And then your Twitch account. So this is my bot account. Do not follow my bot account. It is literally just that. It is just a bot. But we're going to use the bot account for the purposes of this video. So we go to about, and then we edit panels. And when you see the plus right there, that's where you can add a text or an image panel. Well, that's funny. You can add an image and you go directly to the folder. Where's the folder? Oh, it's right here. You go directly to the folder and then you just select it. And then you can actually have that image link to a specific URL if you want to. Or you can just have a little bit of a description under the about, talking about. I am a bot. Ignore me or else. Exclamation point. It looks like this. Now, you can use, what is it called? Markdown. Twitch does recognize Markdown language. And so if you click this link right here for Markdown, it will go into more detail regarding changing your text emphasis or formatting. If you want to create a list, that shows you how to create a list. And same thing with like Discord. So if you wanted to, we can add the Discord one. Do I have a Discord one? I don't know if I have a Discord one. We'll just say social. So we'll call it social. And then I know our link to social, I've made it super simple. It's a tinyurl.com/oneguildserver. We save that. Make sure you submit it after every time, because otherwise it's not going to save. Get out of editing the panels. And then, so if we click on about, nothing happens. If we click on social, it opens up the One Guild server. You accept the invite, and then you're part of the One Guild community and the happy family. Well, guys, I hope that you enjoyed that little how-to on how to do your about me page. Let me also be clear. The about me page, 9 times out of 10, no one's going to look at it. All right, 9 times out of 10, no one's going to look at it unless you like actively say, go to my About Me page to click on the donate link or click on the charity link. But otherwise, it's just going to be there. But if you take the extra step to show that you really care about your platform, that you really care about this hobby, this job, this career, whatever it is to you, then subconsciously other people are going to take notice. It's the little things that count. It's the little things that matter. They all add up. And the more that you show pride in the things that you enjoy doing, the better you're going to be at it and the more people you are going to attract. So take it for what you will. I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any other questions, leave that in the comment section down below here on YouTube. Otherwise, check you out on Twitch. Later.